Exercise 13.4, question number 2. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weight were recorded as follows. Draw the less than type OG for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result using the formula. Observe. Here, they are asking to find the median also. That means we have to find median in graph as well as using formula. Clear? Before that, first we have to draw the less than type OG. And as I told you before, that sometimes they will give the table less than type OG or more than type OG. They will give directly, you no need to convert it. And CF also they will give. At that time, you have to observe whether the given frequency is CF or not. Observe here, as we all know, less than type OG will convert into less than type. That means we'll consider the upper limit. That means these are all upper limits. Clear? These are all upper limits now. They are only given in question only. It's mentioned less than 38, less than 40. The word is mentioned, so this is less than type OG only. Clear? So these are all 38, 40, 42, 40. And observe here, if this is upper limit, what should be the lower limit of this? Observe, and observe the difference. 38, 40, it is 2. Observe the difference between these two numbers is 2. So what is the previous number? That means the class interval must be 36 to 38. Clear? So here what happens? 38 to 40, 40 to 42. Clear? So 36 to, this is 36 previous lower limit, 36 to 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, like this. So they are directly converted and they gave the less than type only. So they gave more upper limit. And observe the frequency 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. And observe, whenever you are observing the frequency, observe whether it is in increasing order. If it is in increasing order or decreasing order. If it is in increasing order and the last value, that is 35 here, the last value is 35 and it is matching with the question 35 students, that means this 35 is nothing but n value and the last value of this frequency is matching with n value, then the given is CF only. The given is CF. And observe, I am repeating, and observe when the given when you are observing the frequency, if the numbers are in increasing order, observe increasing or decreasing. If it is number are in increasing order and the last value is same as the given n value in the question. Look here, if they give 35, the last value is 35, so it is CF. Sometimes like 50 students, if your last value is 50, so it is given as CF. And it must be in increasing order also, increasing order. So observe here 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35, it is increasing order and the last value 35 is same as n. So it is, the given is CF only. So now let us plot the graph for this point as saying 38, 0, 43, 42, upper limit as they given in the question, upper limit and the CF. So if we plot the graph, so it is like this. So observe and please write all these points. I mean again I am stressing you. 0, that means 0 itself y axis, so 38, 40 and here class intervals, x axis 10 centimeter, and when you are writing here also you have to write like this curve when you are before solving, because as it is understood that the previous there are numbers. So x axis 10 centimeter is equal to 2 units, 38, 40, 42, 2 units. Here 10 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So now 38, 0, 43, 42, 5, 44, 9, these points observe when you are plotting, be careful, 48, 28, 50, 32, 52, 35. If you join all these points, we got one curve that is less than type ogive. Less than type ogive. Now we plotted less than type OG. Now we have to find the median in graph as well as median using the formula. So let us move. Observe the same graph I took here. Observe this. For median in graph, we have to take n by 2. Observe here, the easy thing, it is easy to find the median using the graph, whether it is more than graph or whether it is less than type graph. What is the simple thing is, here the n value, you have to consider the total students, or n value, sigma f or something else. Here n, you have to take half of n value. Here 35 is the n value, you have to make it as half. So 35 half is 17.5. 35 half is 17.5. So here what you have to do is mark 17.5 in y-axis. This is, as you all know, this is y-axis. Mark 17.5 on y-axis, and from y-axis draw horizontal line using scale till the line touches the ogive curve. Clear? Observe, again I am repeating. First, when you are finding the median in the graph, first you have to take half of n value. Here half of n value is 17.5. If it is 40, you will get 20. Half of 40, it is 20. If it is 50, you will get 25. But here the number itself 35. So half of 35 is 17.5. So this plot 17.5 in the y-axis. Clear? So from that y-axis, draw the horizontal line till the line touches the curve. As soon as it touches the curve, you draw vertical line from there to which touches the x-axis. Again observe, take half of 17.5 and mark 17.5 on y-axis. From y-axis you draw horizontal line till it touches the ogive curve. As soon as it touches the ogive curve, draw vertical line towards x-axis, and observe the value of x-axis in that point. So here if I draw a horizontal line and touches the curve here, and if we draw the vertical line and if it touches the x-axis, here the value in x-axis is 46.5. Here the value of x-axis is 46.5. When you are drawing, please observe that 46 or nearest to 46.6 or 46.7, like this nearest value you have to get. Clear? This is how to find the median using graph. So again I am repeating, take half of n value, point that n value on the y-axis. From y-axis you draw the horizontal line till it touches the ogive curve. As soon as it touches the ogive curve, draw the vertical line towards x-axis and define the value on x-axis. That value is the median. Clear? Next, finding the median using a formula. Let me check whether if we get the same value. The same, and observe here the class interval was not given, just they gave less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, like this. Means they were used to give the upper limit. But by observing the difference between the upper limits, take the lower limit. So difference is 2. So go for 38, difference 2 means 36. So 36, 38. So till where 52 was the last upper limit, so 50. So what is the difference is 2. Difference is 2. And observe, they were not given the frequency. Clear? They gave only this one CF. So how to find the frequency? Just subtracting. When you are finding CF, used to add, right? So used to add. But here the reverse process. So 0, you copy the same 0 here. 0. Clear? 3 plus 3 minus. Observe here. When you are taking, see here, observe 0, you have to use like this. So 0 plus 3 means it must be 3. Clear? 3 minus 0. Observe again. So when you are given in this table, the given frequency is nothing but a cumulative frequency, but we have to find the frequency. So at that time, just subtracting each other. So copy the same value, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 9, observe 2, again 5 minus 1 second, 2, 4 we got, no, we have to come from top. 1 second. So from top will come 0, observe 0, here 0, so observe 0 will get 3 minus 0, 3, the 0 will common, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4, 35 minus 3 is 3. So subtracting to the previous value. Adding, you are adding to the succeeding value, but subtracting to the preceding value. Again observe 3 minus 0, 0 first is same as you know. So 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 4, 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 is 28, again 35 it is 3, 4 you will get. So when you are finding the f value, just subtract the cf values to the preceding values. When you are finding f to cf, you are adding to the succeeding frequency, the same. So now let me know how to find cf, f and all. As you all know, first taking n by 2, and n by 2 it is in the range of, here you have, sorry it is little bit change here, this here you have the range 14 to 28. You have the 17.5, it is in the range 14 to 28, and as I told you, if you get a 2 range, the first value itself a CF. So here CF is 14. Next to the 14 value, you have to consider the succeeding as a F value, and the parallel to F value, you have to consider respect to the F value, you have to consider the lower limit, and the difference between the limits you got H value. Now substituting to the equation, as you all know, formula median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So median is equal to, L is lower limit is 46 and N by 2 it is 17.5 minus 14, again divided by 14 into 2. So 46, 17.5 minus 14 it is 3.5 divided by 14 into 2, again 46 plus 35 into 2, first multiplication then division. So 35 point into 2 it is 7, 7 by 14, 7 by 14 is nothing but 1 by 2, that is half, so 0.5. So if we add these two, we got again 46.5. So in graph also we got 46.5, here also we got 46.5. Clear? Observe, in graph you are taking half of n value, plotting that value to the y-axis, that is CF, and from that CF value, or plotting from x-axis, y-axis, you are taking horizontal line till it touches the ogive curve. As soon as it touches the ogive curve, draw the vertical line towards x-axis, and the point which we get on x-axis will be the median. Clear?